Hi, my name is Francesca Neill and I'm the official makeup artist for Collection. Today I'm here with my beautiful model Nu, who's the winner of the Be The Face competition, and we're going to show you in 6 simple steps how to create the perfect summer makeup look using Collection's Glam Crystals range. Mix together the 2 warm tones and blend across the eyelid and into the socket line to create a really beautiful diffused golden eye. I love to apply the liquid eyeshadow with my fingers as it's super blendable, so it's really easy to apply and it's also really highly pigmented. For a more intense dramatic look, apply 2 coats of the Lash Surge mascara. I love this mascara because it does everything in one. Lengthens, volumizes, thickens, you don't need anything else. For a gorgeous sun-kissed glow, use a soft fluffy brush and apply the bronzer to the areas of the face that the sun would naturally hit. Summer skin is all about that glow, so press on the cream highlighter with your fingers for added radiance. I love this lip product because it feels like a balm but it's got the intensity of a lipstick, and this colour is so perfect for summer. Apply setting spray from 15 centimeters away from the face to keep the skin looking fresh all day and all night long. So here it is, the finished golden summer look.